Hello everyone, and welcome to another video produced by the Mr. Rogers Homes real estate team here in the Valley of the Sun, Arizona. This video is labeled 10 ways to create more bathroom storage. Jillian Lazanick, and I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, is an interior designer who loves to share experiences and knowledge in order to help others improve their personal environment and feel better about the space they live in. So here's a quick shout out for the tips of her trade we are going to share some of in this video. Along that note, this is exactly how I feel about real estate. Yes, it's my profession, being a full-time agent and team leader, but it never really seems like work because it's my passion. Okay, let's dive right into this one. Whether you're single or living in a house full of children, there never seems to be enough storage space in the bathrooms. This short video will show you 10 ways to create extra space in the bathrooms, no matter what size they happen to be. Of course, as amazing as these tips are, there may come a time that you flat out need more or perhaps less space. That's when you contact your local realtor and start shopping for a fitting new home. Tip number 1. Built-ins are space savers. Custom built-ins can provide maximum storage in a bathroom. Custom cabinets can be costlier than standard cabinetry, but it will be money well spent when every inch can be maximized. Anyone whose first place was a little tight on space truly understands every square inch of storage will matter.
Tip number 2. Place the storage where it's needed most. You always want to come up with new and creative ways to have storage where it is needed. Try to plan ahead and place the correct storage unit close to the space where you'll need it the most. Perhaps that wall behind your tub is a perfect place. You may have to forego artwork, but taking a practical approach in one of the most functional rooms in your home will prove to be a wise move and provide you with extra storage space.
Tip number 3, hanging options. When counter or floor space is limited, try hanging your storage. This will not only give you extra space, but done properly, it will also look amazing. Oh, hanging also allows you to bring decorative elements that you wouldn't otherwise have space for. So as the saying goes, it's like a 2-for-1 with a bit of fun.
Tip number 4. Mix indoors and niches. Bathroom storage can often get messy. True open niche and floating shelves can be glamorous. Cabinets with doors will provide secure storage that you won't have to constantly organize. By having both doors and niches, bathrooms can still look beautiful while maximizing storage. This mix and match idea may be perfect for his and hers. Not saying one gender is neater than the other, but you get the point. Even if you're living alone, there's always things you may want on display and some not so much.
On to valuable tip number 5. Think outside the lower box. Do you remember who said bathrooms can't have upper cabinets? I certainly don't. So go ahead, use fitting and or available wall space to hang cabinets where you can store items that you may not use regularly, such as cleaning supplies, guest items, and of course, the extra rolls of toilet paper.
Tip number 6. Store everyday essentials at your fingertips. A small pull-out drawer dedicated to everyday needed essentials can keep storage from becoming cluttered, and as another saying goes, time is money. So the longer it takes you to find the items you need, the more you'll be wasting your hard-earned income. When you have your most common items in the same place, the quicker you'll be able to get ready for events you may always be running late for. Just saying.
Hello everyone, I'm Sean Rogers, Realtor and lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes team here in the Valley of the Sun, Arizona. If you're thinking about buying, selling, renting, or investing, please reach out to me. All of my contact information could be found in the descriptions of our videos below, and we'd be more than happy to get you moving. As always, thank you for watching our videos and supporting our channel. Remember to keep a lookout for other links to videos that we think you'll enjoy. Till next time, take care. God bless America. Talk to you soon. Tip number 7, every inch matters. You can utilize even the smallest wall for added space and extra storage. Medicine cabinets typically can be recessed to save space and give you that extra storage. You'd be surprised how many times when we're showing homes to potential buyers, we point out such things like medicine cabinets, which we jokingly call hers and hers if, of course, there's 2 of them. Regardless of who's using them, it pays to take note to see the little things that may be an issue once you're trying to fill these spaces. Like, are the shelves adjustable? Are the corners square or rounded? Trust me, this is a big one, as some items don't fit well and or stand up in round corners. The depth of built-in cabinets is also something to take note of, as many items won't fit, sometimes by less than that inch.
Tip number 8, think multifunctional. A truly winning game plan is to combine functions of the bathroom if you have the space. For example, maybe instead of a laundry room, you can combine the bathroom and the laundry room to create a larger space with more storage. This too can keep needed items close to you, all in an area quickly assembled, thus saving you time. There's nothing better than being able to pull a fresh towel from the dryer or putting the one you just used directly into the washer. Just something to think about.
Wow, we are moving right along. Here comes tip number 9, vertical storage. Going vertical can use otherwise dead space in a bath's wall to store tall bottles and stackable items such as tissue boxes. The beauty of tall units is that they can be treated the same as walls or doors to conceal their purposes. Now, some might be saying, yeah, but some of those upper storage units are way out of my reach. This may be true, but they may be a perfect place for storing items you just don't use all the time. Again, you'll be surprised how handy an out-of-the-way storage space is. For example, one in our house that is out of my reach is perfect for storing items we only use now and then, like our mini dehumidifier and extra large bath towels that guests like to use when they come around to visit us in the Valley of the Sun and live poolside catching some rays. And last, but certainly not least, I feel like we need a drum roll here. Tip number 10, storage furniture. Benches, for example, in bathrooms are quite common, and it's even better if they can pull double duty. Many bathroom benches now come with storage for easy access to a variety of different sized items, which you can use and access on a regular basis, which is also keeping your bathroom tidy and keeping it chic at the same time. This is definitely a bonus. There are so many crafty items out there that have storage in them. Many will store items you need, but just don't want on display. Many will store items you want to use regularly and have quick access to. I hope a few of these ideas to create more bathroom storage helped, as that's what these videos are all about. Until next time, be well, smile, and happy storing.